Hello again. Now you are able to identify the question type, right? I have given you extensive lessons with examples. Now it's time for you to answer some of the questions. So I'm going to present different types of questions before you, and you have to tell me what type of question is it, right? So you already know there are three types of question: opinion-based question, discussion-based question, and opinion discussion or discussion opinion based question. It's quite simple. So try to identify the type of question, right? So this one is the first question. Read it, and I'm reading it for you. Some people think that the only purpose of working hard is to earn money. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? So can you tell me what type of question is it? Have you got the answer? You have got the answer. To what extent do you agree and disagree? So the question is clearly, now I'm giving you the answer. The question is clearly asking you your personal opinion, right? To what extent do you agree or disagree? So the answer is opinion-based question, right? Now your second question. Some believe that punishment is the only purpose of prisons, while others believe that prisons exist for various reasons. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Now tell me what type of question. Is it opinion based or discussion based or opinion discussion? Both. If you look at this carefully, now I'm going to answer it. Discuss both the views. That means you have to discuss it and give your opinion. That means you have to give your personal opinion as well. So this is clearly a discussion opinion based question. I hope you must have got it right. Now the third question. In some countries, governments are encouraging industries and businesses to move to regional areas outside the big cities. Do the advantages of this trend outweigh the disadvantages? What is it? Is it discussion, it is opinion, or is it both? He's saying, do the advantages of this trend outweigh the disadvantages? Although what advantage and disadvantage are there, but they are asking your opinion. You got it right. To the advantages, they are asking you that if there are more advantages and less disadvantages. So what type of question is it? This is opinion based question. Clearly there is no discussion, just you have to give your opinion. Now come to the next one. Despite improvement in vehicle technology, there are still large number of road accidents. Explain some of the causes of these accidents and suggest some measures that could be taken to address the problem. Now, so first they're asking for the causes and then they're asking for the measures, means solution. So what do you think? Are they asking you for your personal opinion? I don't think so. They're not asking your personal opinion. They simply ask you to discuss the causes, then discuss the solution. So it is a discussion based question. And the last one for you. Many people around the world are choosing to move to live in cities. What problem do people experience in big cities? And should governments encourage people to move to smaller towns? All right, so you got your point here. First, they're asking for the problem, not your opinion, and then they're asking, should government do blah, 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 blah. So at first, they're asking you discussion, and then they're asking your opinion. So for me, it's a discussion opinion question. Let's check the answer. Yeah, it's a discussion opinion based question, right? I hope you must have understood by now that how to identify the type of question. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you very soon in the next video. Bye.